Okay, let's take a look at number 26. It says 990 kilometers per hour. How many centimeters per second? Let me make sure that's what it says in PowerPoint. Number 26. 990 kilometers per hour. How many centimeters per second? Okay, let me write that here. And if we set it up in dimensional analysis format, well, actually, let's start with our mnemonic device, of course. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, micro, nano. I think that's the only thing we're going to need. We're going from metric, kilo, to metric, centi, and we're going from hours to seconds, so that's just a measure of time. So let's set it up. 990 kilometers per 1 hour times, I think we'll only need 2, maybe 3. Let's just use 2 first. Actually, no, let's do 3. And I'll show you why in a second. Could be either or. Okay, so let's first get rid of our kilometers by converting them to centimeters. So kilometers on the bottom, kilometers and centimeters. This is silly. And let's do hours to seconds. Now, if you don't already know that 1 hour has 3,600 seconds in it, if you don't have that memorized, then you would have to convert hours to seconds first, or minutes first, rather. And then minutes to seconds. But what you'll find by multiplying through is that 60 times 60 is 3,600. So that's why you can use this one if you have this memorized. If you know 60 times 60 is 3,600, then that just eliminates one of these conversion factors. But if you don't know that, then you would have to go step by step. Kilometers is on the bottom, hours is on the bottom here, so it needs to go on the top here, so it cancels out. And we'll do minutes on the bottom here, and then we need to get rid of minutes by putting in the numerator, and seconds on the bottom, because that's what we want, because it's in the denominator of our answer. And here's our centimeters. Everything else gets canceled out. And hours cancels out, and minutes cancels out. Good. So let's fill this in. I'm going to take one of the larger units first, 1 kilometer, and count how many places it takes to reach our smaller unit, our smaller prefix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 100,000 centimeters in 1 kilometer. And then here, this one's easy. 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now, again, what I said was 60 times 60 is 3,600, so you could have done it this way. We're going to just write the exact same thing over again. But this time, we're only going to use one conversion factor. We're going to say 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. We know that because 60 times 60 is 3,600, so we're just eliminating a step here. And that would give us the exact same answer. So if we multiply through, it's going to be 990 times 100,000 divided by 3,600, or 60 times 60. And that is 27,500. Oops. Okay, and the answer would be the same, whether you use 60 and 60 or 3600. Let's see if that's what we got. Oops, why did I write 5 here? 5 on the brain. 7. 27,500. Is that what we have on our answer sheet? For number 26? Yes. 27,500. And your answer was not quite that. Again, I hope you understand why we got the answer we did, and if you don't, or if it's still a little tricky, just send me an email and I can help clarify. All right, let's move on.